Once upon a time, in a small village at the edge of a big forest, there lived 3 curious children: Lily, Max, and their little brother, Sam. They loved listening to stories about the whispering woods. People said the trees made noises like whispers, and maybe there were secrets hidden there. One sunny day, Lily, Max, and Sam decided to go on an adventure. They told their parents they were going to play and took a backpack with snacks, a flashlight, and a map they found in the attic. They walked toward the forest, ready to explore. Inside the woods, the trees were tall and their branches looked like they were making strange shapes. As they walked, they could hear whispers in the air. "Did you hear that?" Max asked softly. Lily nodded. "I think it's coming from over there," she said, pointing to a path deeper in the forest. The children followed the path and soon found a big, old tree. It had weird symbols on the bark. Under the tree, there was a big stone on the ground. "What do you think it is?" Sam asked quietly. Lily touched the stone gently, and suddenly it began to glow with a blue light. The whispers got louder like a song. The stone moved aside, showing a staircase going down into the ground. "Should we go down there?" Max asked, feeling both scared and excited. "We have to see what's there," Lily replied bravely. They went down the stairs, holding Sam's flashlight. The whispers were loud now, echoing in the tunnel. At the bottom, they found a room with shiny crystals on the walls. In the middle was a glowing chest. The whispers were now like a loud hum. The children felt the presence of something old. "Do you think it's dangerous?" Sam asked, trembling. "We won't know unless we open it," said Lily. Max put his hand on the chest. The whispers stopped, and the room was silent. The chest opened slowly, and inside was a golden key. Suddenly, the room started to change. The walls and ceiling were moving. "We need to get out," Lily shouted. They ran up the stairs as fast as they could, holding the key. The forest was quiet as they finally reached the village. They never talked about what happened, keeping the secret of the whispering woods to themselves. They hid the key, dreaming that one day they might go back to discover what it opened. But for now, they were happy with their adventure and knowing that magic existed in the world, just beyond the trees.